Hello everyone, this is Faisal Amin Shibad. Welcome to 5 minutes tutorial. So today we will learn about the basic math functionality in C#, then the string structure and how can we use string in C#, and the boolean functionality in C#. So actually math is a class which has many methods, allows us to perform mathematical tasks on numbers which we use in our program. So there are some math method like max, where we can find the maximum value from two numbers, minimum or then mean, where we can return the minimum value from two numbers, square root, where we can find the square root value of any number, round, then we can round any number figure, absolute, it will return the absolute value. So I will see the implementation in our program. Then string is a variable. Actually in C# string is a variable that contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. We can write anything into double quotes and it will be called as string. For example, here is a example of string. So there are many methods in C# are available, like to upper, to lower, and we can use it in our program. To upper will convert any string into uppercase, and to lower will convert any string into lowercase. So boolean actually a data type that can only have one or two values, like yes, no, 0, 1, on, off, true, false. So in our program, when we will be in any situation, like we have to take a condition, we have to check the condition true or false, then we can use boolean functionality or boolean data type. So here is an example. Bool is C# fun equal to true, and bool is C# tasty equal to false. So when we print is C# fun, then it will return true, and when we print is C# tasty, then it will return false. So now we will see the implementation in our program. So we will use here a math method. We will find the maximum value here. Max then math dot minimum y math. Okay, so then we will see a string functionality here. So first we have to assign a string. So here we will return we will print right line a first character, then we will I will take another string and we will concat both. Hello. Okay, so I am concatenating the both string and assigning to a new string. String dot concat so I am giving b as a first parameter and a as a second parameter. So now I will print string m. Okay, so I will print also string a into uppercase. A dot to uppercase. Okay, so here we have used the math method and string method. Now we will see an example of boolean. So I am here taking a boolean variable true bool is false equal to false. Now I'll print both bool variable. So console dot right line is right line is true is false. Okay, now okay. So I am giving here the input for x and for y. So here we can see the max value is 65 and the minimum value is 43. So here we have seen how can we use the math functionality. Then I am concatenating the toString that is giving me output saying hello world, and then I am printing the string A in a two uppercase, so it is giving me output as uppercase, and then I am printing the first value of h of string A, that is h, and then I am printing is true boolean variable and is false boolean variable, where I have assigned the value is true is equal to true and is false equal to false. So here one more thing, here in C# program this is assign sign, this is not equal, this is equal, this is equal operator, and this is assign operator. Okay, that's all for today. So in next video we will learn about the conditions in C# and we will apply in our program, and we will apply condition in our program. That's all for today. Thank you.